Yeah, hello. Randy back with another video. We are in Estes Park, Colorado, but we are heading to near the Black Hills, Wind Cave National Park, up by there, Custer State Park. So I'm gonna hit that stuff up tomorrow, but today we gotta get a move on. We just finished up Rocky Mountain National Park. But that's the stats. Let's get a move on before, you know, it gets too dark on us trying to find a campsite and set up. I tell you what, I'm gonna miss Colorado and the beautiful views. Look at that though, beautiful. Probably been here already like 5 days or so, so I think I better move on, get to South Dakota. See a couple things before I gotta be home before Memorial Day, so yep, just don't want to overstay my welcome. Plus it's been way too cold here. I'm sick of waking up at 30. I'd rather wake up at 38 degrees in South Dakota. But alright, I'll see you guys later. Peace. Alright, train update. Okay, I might be dumb, but I didn't realize I had to go through another state to get to South Dakota. I thought just South Dakota was above Colorado. But I gotta drive through Wyoming for a while before I get there. I think I'm almost to the Wyoming border. Yeah, I don't know. See, I don't plan nothing, that's proof. Woohoo, 40K. Guys, I just saw like a mountain goat slash sheep. It was like brown with a white and black face, if that helps. He looked like a deer at first, but he was just chilling in the ditch. But yeah, that's my first animal sighting in Wyoming, other than deer. But yeah, we got 2 hours left still, basically. We in South Dakota now. Pretty cool sky though. Yeah, got an hour left. What's up, y'all? We cruising through the Black Hills. I think I got off a little bit too early on this road, but I think it loops back into the other road. Yeah, this is cool. Let me look at my Onyx real quick. Oh yeah, it looks like we're gonna be back on the Dispersed road in no time. If we can make it there, I hope so. Oh yeah, we'll make it there somehow. So Onyx, I guess, has this new thing where you can put layers on. Well, you could always put layers on, but you can actually put layers for dispersed camping roads. So I went ahead and did that. Man, it looks really muddy around here. Like these yellow roads are dispersed camping roads, so you're supposed to be able to camp on them. And we are in the Black Hills National Forest, so you can camp here. So I'm gonna go down this road, see if I can find something, because this is kind of close to Wind Cave. Oh my God, my Jeep's gonna be so muddy. But yeah, let's find a spot. Don't have any service right here, so that kind of sucks. But as long as it's got a good view, I don't care. Because I just gotta head to the Wind Cave tomorrow morning. Alright, I'm starting to think that this this Onyx doesn't really pertain to actual camping spots. The dispersed camping, but I'm gonna just try and find somewhere with flat ground. It should be fine. I mean, according to the rules on here, it says it's fine. I'm in the Black Hills National Forest, so we definitely getting muddy. Hopefully I can make it out of here okay. This looks like a good enough spot. I just wanted to be somewhere not super far from Wind Cave, but I guess I should have just followed the guides. Beautiful bird noises though. I gotta hurry up and set up. It's already dark. Alright. Good morning. Not gonna lie, I think we had a pretty good spot last night, even though it took us a while. We got a little muddy. I slept through the night, no problems. Diesel heater worked. A little chilly this morning. Should probably put on a sweatshirt, but yeah. Not a bad spot. Yeah, let's get packed up and we'll head to the Wind Caves. If anyone's curious, this is what I was driving through last night. In the dark. Like I said, a little muddy. But yeah, pretty cool. don't know if you guys can see all the deer. They're all running through the forest this morning. But yeah. I'm gonna try to find the spot to take a picture or something. Mud.
I just pulled up in that motherfucker.
All right. So Wind Cave, you know, this would help if I did research, but you do need a tour to get into the cave. It's like 16 bucks, and it's like an hour and 15 minutes. So I went ahead and booked. There's 11:30. It is currently 9. In case my zoom doesn't look good. Oh, that don't look good either. You can see though, there's a lot of them. Like, that's probably 200 chilling over there. Do you hear all these freaking little prairie dogs? Yelling at me. Oh yeah, look at these buffalo, by the way. Gonna try and get a pic with my Jeep with them. I feel like I should go back and let that guy know, let that one single buffalo know that all his buddies are over here. Maybe he likes being alone. Who am I to judge? Maybe he's like me. Likes going and doing stuff alone. Gets all the grass for himself. I am gonna head back. There is a lookout tower hike that's like a mile that I think I can squeeze in before I gotta be back for my cave tour in Wind Cave. So I'm gonna go back and do that real quick. And then, yeah, and then I'll go do the tour, and then I'll take the highway over to the Custer State Park Visitor Center and then maybe do a few things then. But yeah, let's get back to the lookout tower. It is still kind of gloomy and rainy, but oh, there's the lookout tower. Ponderosa pines. I heard these are almost immune to fires. Because I don't really remember why, but that's why if you see a forest burn down and there's still a couple of these, they're pretty fire retardant as far as I understand. But yeah, it smells really good up here. Ew. Well, we made it to the tower. Let's see if we can make it up in there. That's a bummer. I guess it's still a pretty good view here. Hey, yo guys, there's a buffalo just chilling here in the woods. Right behind that tree. A little too close for my comfort. Oh, he's got horns too. See this pink rock here? Apparently, if there was an erosion, this park would be like 7,500 feet higher than what it is. but this eroded down, and this pink stuff is like really old. Pegmatite. Black Hills was formed 65 million years ago. Dang. Oh, this the granite pegmatite though, 1.7 billion years ago. Molten magma. Dang. And then it eroded down. Now you can see it. He's looking at me while he's pissing. The disrespect. He's pretty flexible. He can lick his back legs. Alright, y'all. You want to see my sticker and patch collection so far this trip? So we got Garden of the Gods and then a Colorado one with the Jeep. And then we got Wind Cave, Black Hills, Pikes Peak. I thought that one was funny. It was Pikes Peak on the railway. Rocky Mountain National Park, which is cool because I seen elk there. Another Pikes Peak one. Some more Rocky Mountain National Park. I really love this patch, the Rocky Mountain National Park, this one. Super cool blue. Then we got Garden of the Gods and Pikes Peak. I just got a Coors Banquet one because I went to the Coors Brewery in Colorado. This Wind Cave one's really cool, and I bought this before I saw the buffalo, but now that we've seen buffalo, makes it even better. Black Hills National Forest, since I camped there, and I'll probably camp there again tonight. And then this Colorado one was cool, the elk. I thought that was really cool. But yeah, I spent more money on patches and stickers than I have on camping fees this trip. I think I paid once to camp in the past week and a half. So yeah, I think we're doing pretty good, but I spent way more money on stickers and patches. Probably about the same as I did on fuel. Nah, but yeah, add to my collection up here. These are gonna be filled up. I'm gonna have to go to the back.
Okay, so here we have reached the post office.
Alright, we just finished up with the cave tour. About an hour and a half. Pretty narrow caves, like there's not really that many big rooms or anything that you can stop and take pictures. It's kind of just like a narrow passageway the whole way. So, a little underwhelming compared to like Carlsbad Caverns and stuff like that, but still cool. Yeah, but I think I'm gonna end the video here. I've been making my videos way too long, so next stop is Custer State Park, and probably stop at Mount Rushmore too, just take a picture or something. But yeah, it's 1 o'clock today, or right now, so we still got a little bit of time. And yeah, thanks for watching. This has been Wind Cave National Park, and a little bit of camping in the Badlands, or Black Hills. And we're gonna do some more of that in the next video. So stay tuned. See you later, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.